Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I uploaded new video on how you can download global soil erosion data or global threat data for free. So you can download multiple type of data set from this website, European Soil Data Center. Here you can see that. Now I will show you how to download such type of data from this website. So first go to Google and Google here search global soil erosion data. Now you will see this interface and click on that link, global soil erosion European Commission. Click on this one. Now here you see this interface, European Soil Data Center, Joint Research Center. Here is the global soil erosion data set, resource type of data set, and this is the metadata set. Now here is the data type of data. You can also download the data for soil erosion for Russell estimation such as R factor and K factor, C factor, and for LS factor. And here these all provide 4 ArcMap project file and MXD are provided, such as version for 10.8.3 and 9.0 and version 10.0 and version 10.5. You can download datasets. These are the references of the datasets. Now here is the citations. Now go to dataset type. I show you the multiple dataset. So click on dataset. So here is the dataset. The European Soil Data Center contain currently mainly soil data and information. So you can download multiple type of dataset from here. You can see that here is the water erosion in Europe by 2050, global soil erosion by water in 2070. Now soil organic matter. These are types of data set. You can download it. First you will send a request form. After that I will show you how to send request form and how to download data from this website. So let's suppose I want to download global soil erosion data. So I will go there and click on this request form. After that you can see this interface here or the description or request form. Here you will type email and name, organizations and type of organization, and here is the purpose for which the data will be used, and here you will at the least submit this request form. So let's see, I fill this form. Here you can see that I fill this application form, request form. Here I put my email address and here my name, and here is organizations and here type of organization. Here is the country name, and here is the purpose for which the data will be used. So here I accept these. By sending this data you are declare that you have read and accept the notification below, and the data your personal data will be handled by the JRC only. Now click on submit. After that you will see this interface. Thank you for your submission request. Note that your request will be processed manually. After approval you will receive an email with instruction how to download the data. This could take any time from few minutes to few hours. So whenever you received email from this website, and go to email. Here I received email from this website, European Commission dataset access. So here is the link from which I will download the data. So click on that link. Now here you can see that the dataset access expired before or on 23rd December 2021. So these are notifications, read these carefully. And here is the global soil erosion dataset. I download the data from here. So when I click on that, here you can see that the data is downloaded. Show the data in folder. Copy this data and go to desired folder. Here create new folder for that. Soil data, and here paste the data and extract file. Yes, okay. Now go to GIS and add the data to GIS software. Here is the soil data. Now you can see that I add this one. Now go to table of content and here change the color for the data. Choose other color, some dark like that. Here you can see that we download this data from the global soil erosion dataset. So I hope you will learn that how to download the data for free. Thank you.